Here are some tips on how to wire up a fire alarm to a pull station with a panel. Guys, if you're using an addressable panel, addressable systems do not use resistors for those devices, as this smoke detector in the pull station that is addressable does not use a resistor. Only the NAC circuits, which is notification appliance circuit. So yeah, do not put resistors on your SLC. Do not put resistors on your SLC, as that will cause a short and most likely damage your panel. That is my #1 tip for you guys.